Okay guys, I've been walking and I've been hunting, and oh my goodness, look what I found. A beautiful, beautiful little bird point, and please, please be rounded. It looks like the tip's gone, but the way it's curving, it could be rounded off. So let's see. Come on, please, please, please. Okay, no tip. Oh my gosh, this thing is perfect. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful, beautiful point. Look how thin that thing is. Wow. Wow. See, it's got a little bitty needle tip, look like, right there on the end. I don't know if it's picking it up or not. Oh my goodness. Can you guys believe that this survived all those tractor discs and drills and plows? Oh my gosh, this thing is perfect. I'm happy it don't have a tip. I love these rounded off things. You can tell it was a bigger point, but man, beautiful, beautiful work. Oh my goodness, beautiful work. Good catch. Wow. Well guys, that's a beauty, and it's small. Woo, sits on the tip of my finger. Oh man. Thanks a lot for the comments, and hope you guys are doing good too. Man. All right. Catch you later.